This 2015 Volkswagen Passat is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. VW Passat Limited Edition Rear View Camera Premium Touchscreen 8-speaker sound system keyless start front fog lights with corner lamps heated front seats power sliding sunroof wood trim interior Bluetooth audio and phone keyless entry power exterior mirrors automatic power windows VW alloy wheels platinum gray metallic exterior Titan black interior floor mats owner's manual. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2015 Volkswagen Passat Limited Edition is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.